Hello. All right. I guess welcome back to school. But I'm just going to do some of these problems if you were a little stuck on them. But this is just so you know what I'm looking for. Okay. So let's say we want to rewrite all of these four expressions. So if I want to rewrite these four expressions, what I want to do is I want to separate all of these expressions into factors. Okay, so if I want to split up v times 5 minus a squared, so the square, I don't know if you remember from Algebra 1, that's the same thing as 5 minus a times 5 minus a. So if I were to rewrite this, this is v times 5 minus a times 5 minus a. That's it. Okay, so this one, t times u minus 8 cubed. So the cubed means that you have to do u minus 8 times u minus 8 times u minus 8. So if I were to rewrite this as a bunch of factors, this is t times u minus 8 times u minus 8 times u minus 8. Okay, so that's how you would expand that one. Now this one, p times 1 minus r raised to the fourth power. So the fourth power, if you kind of see this pattern, what this implies is that you're going to have 1 minus r times 1 minus r times 1 minus r times 1 minus r. So 4 times. So if you had to write this expression as separate factors, this is p times 1 minus r times 1 minus r times 1 minus r times 1 minus r. Okay? This one, pi r squared. Some of you may have learned that in geometry or from a or 6th or 7th grade. If you remember, this is the formula for the area of a circle. So if I were to just expand r squared, r squared is just r times r. So this would be pi times r times r. So that's just expanding all of these expressions. All right, so I'll show you a few more. So if you kind of get to see the hang of this. So it says to rewrite the following expressions. Okay, so this is an e in front. So this is e. 6v raised to the 6th power means we're going to multiply that quantity 6 times. So e times 6v times 6v times 6v times 6v times 6v times 6v. So the power of 6 means that you're multiplying it 6 times. And that's how you would expand it. Okay, this one. Rewrite the following expressions for this one. So this one is 4w times 4w. So this is 5 times 4w times 4w. Okay. This one, 3 times x plus y raised to the 5th power. So the 5th power means you're going to multiply that 5 times. So 3 times x plus y times x plus y times x plus y times x plus y times x plus y. Okay? Now, let's say I asked you to go the opposite way. So the opposite way is, what if I gave you something like this and I told you to simplify it so you have something like this? Okay, so that would be the next example here. So let's say I wanted to simplify the following expressions here. So we have b times 3 minus f times 3 minus f times 3 minus f. If we look at this, we have 3 minus f 3 times. So if I were to simplify this, this is b times 3 minus f cubed, because the factor is there 3 times, so b times 3 minus f cubed. Okay, this one, so we have v times r plus 2 times r plus 2 times r plus 2. We have this factor 3 different times, so this is v times r plus 2 cubed. So this is 3 times, it's multiplied 3 times. That's why you have a cube. Okay, this one, So if you look at this, 5w is there 4 times. So this is 2 times 5w raised to the 4th power. And the last one. So if we look at this, 1 minus r, we have this 5 separate times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separate times. So if we were to simplify this, this is a times 1 minus r raised to the 5th power. Yep. So hopefully that'll help you guys figure out the other problems that I have for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.